What's good, YouTube fam? Welcome back to another video, man. As always, it's your boy Bobby back.
Bruh.
It's your boy Bobby back again with another video, man. I hope you guys are all having a great day. If you're here, it's because you're curious about how you can lose weight really fast while maintaining some muscle. Before I even start this video, I'm downloading Modern Warfare. Decided I'm gonna start uploading some gameplay, maybe streaming some gameplay online. If you guys are any gamers out there, let me know in the comment section. If you're playing some Call of Duty Modern Warfare, let me know in the comment section what kind of videos you guys want to see. Drop your gamer tags, and I'll also drop mine down there so you guys can add me. We can all play a little bit. Now guys, as some of you may know, I'm going on a cruise within the next month. Actually, it's less than a month. Right now is December 11th or 12th actually. Holy crap. Meaning to start this video like 6 days ago, but school, time, work, relationships, I just haven't had the time to do so. Gotten stronger since it's bulking season, but my plan is to get back on my lean diet and lean workout plan so I can gain back some definition, gain back my six-pack, and just look a little bit leaner for when I go on vacation. And I wanted to show you guys the process of me going through that within a month. And hopefully if you're out there and you're curious about how you can lose weight and gain muscle at the same time, but still look leaner and maintaining as much muscle as possible, I hope this video can help you out. I don't want to talk too much about this, so this is going to be a short video. I'll show you guys what I eat, bring you guys to the gym, and I'll show you guys my workout. If you're trying to lose weight, if you're trying to cut down some body fat, the most important thing is going to be diet. 90% of what you look like and how you feel is what you're putting in your body. And the reason I'm making this video is because for the last month or two, I've been struggling with staying on my meal plan. And I think it has to do with the fact that when I come home from work or home from the gym around 10 p.m., I tend to sit down on my phone, watch some YouTube videos or watch some Netflix, usually watch some Office. I'll sit down and I'll have to eat something while I'm watching. So I'm making this video to hold myself accountable mostly, even if it doesn't get any views or anything like that. This is to hold myself accountable that the day before going on my cruise, I want to look a certain way. I want to look leaner. I want to, be able to see more muscle definition, and I want to feel better about how I look for when I go on vacation. I know it kind of sounds kind of stupid, but it's just my thought process. That way, when I'm on vacation, I don't have to think too much about what I'm eating. I don't have to worry about too much of, going to the gym every single day. And I can just enjoy my vacation. So I feel like that's enough rambling on. Quick reminder though, that I want to remind you guys, I don't have it with me, but I highly recommend that you're drinking a lot of water throughout the day, at least a gallon for gentlemen, and at least 3/4 gallon for ladies. It's gonna help you stay full. It's gonna help your skin, it's gonna help your hair, it's gonna help your nails, it's gonna help all aspects of your life. It's gonna help digestion, and you're made up of like 70% water, so water is a huge important part of your life, so make sure that you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day. I started out with 1 slice of bread, 2 eggs, 2 slices of turkey, and 1 slice of cheese, and it's 11 o'clock right now. Hopefully this gets to download. I'll play 1 or 2 games and we'll head to class, and I'll pick it up from there. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so we just made it back from the gym. Had a nice leg day. Finished up with like 20, 40, I think it was 30 minutes of cardio. Finished up with 30 minutes of cardio. Already had one protein shake as soon as I got home. I'm taking the Ghost vegan protein for now. That's what I'm drinking at the moment. But let me show you guys real quick what's for dinner. This is gonna be the last actual meal, full meal. It has, here, let me show you. It has focus. It has 100 grams of chicken breast. As you can see, there's some pasta there, which is the chickpea pasta. So it's it has more protein, less carbs, and better nutrients than regular pasta. And then here we have a piece of fried fish that my dad made. Decided to just take a piece of that. More protein for the gains. I'm gonna devour this real quick and probably have one more protein shake later, and then I'll show you guys my dessert, and that should be it for the video. So let's go enjoy this. Alright guys, now that brings me to dessert. Oh, hold on, let me pause this. I'm watching something. Mr. Fruit. Let's pause this so I can chat up with you guys. Having the last, not really a meal, but dessert, whatever you want to call it. It's basically 2 rice cakes with a serving of peanut butter for some deliciousness. And of course, remember to always stay hydrated, drink lots and lots of water. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I'm gonna keep you guys updated maybe one more time throughout this month, really more like 3 weeks now, before we head to vacation. If you enjoyed this video, remember to leave a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Remember to share with your friends. Stay focused, man. Stay motivated. Keep grinding. Savage responsibly. As always, I'll catch you guys in the video. Wait, rare. As always, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.
4 in the morning, 4 in the morning. Know that I'm zoned and roll up the potent. Smoking the propane, mixing the potion, mixing the 20 with Henny and Remy. Ballin' out, finger roll, yeah, with the jelly. Vibing out, you can find me at the telly. The drugs kicking in, damn, my palms getting sweaty. Know that I'm peeing.